Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And this will be just quick video about the importance of inspections on our vehicles. This is 2005 Toyota Corolla with approximately 150,000 miles. This one is here first time ever. I never saw this vehicle, and the owner smartly ordered the complete inspection. That means from the front to the back, from bottom to the top. And obviously part of that it's removing this engine cover, right, and looking underneath here. And in beginning I saw the leaks, right? So if you look with me, there is that horrible mess, all that oil. But as you immediately can guess, this is just from mechanics dumping carelessly the oil here, right? And this is the overflow. You see the worst, it's right there, because they spill it, right? And they are just in hurry, not probably using the funnel, or I don't know how they did it. By the way, when I pull this after 5 minutes or 10 minutes of sitting here, the engine oil is overfilled. It's above the max mark. But what I want to show you is the valve cover gasket, right? So first I saw, yeah, there is a little seepage, right? It leaks a little bit. I looked on the sides, again, very little seepage. That's no big deal, right? And I went ahead and I wrote, oh, valve cover gasket is leaking, replace in future. But there was a mistake, because I was a little bit ahead of myself. I also will be pulling the spark plug, and when I pull out this coil, there was a bunch of oil on the coil. And that means, and I will show you, look right here. I hope I will be able to perfectly catch it for you. Look in that tube. Okay, sorry for this. This is not easy. It's a narrow area. Let me zoom in it for you. So part of this valve cover gasket are also these tube seals, right? And I believe you still see it. It's leaking already also there. And in this case, when it starts leaking also inside, I have to go back and, you know, admit my mistake. And I tell you what, I will be changing from replacing in the future that valve gasket. I already wrote in the report for the owner that I will definitely recommend to replace it soon. You don't want to have oil coming on those coils and possibly flooding the spark plugs inside. And again, as I said, just very short video, something interesting, you know, from my shop, what I see every day. And as you can see, it's important, right, to be perfectionist, look on the details, because only after that you see the whole picture. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, my friend.